All right, guys, here, let's check out Meadows here. Not a lot more has happened. We're getting it taken apart, but we got lucky. You know, this is the first actual lariat I've done in a 6.4. I've done them in 6 liters a lot, but 6.4, we're trying it now. Got real lucky. The clutch position sensor wire, clutch position switch is on the chassis harness. That's pretty freaking cool. So that eliminated that problem. But right now we've got, I mean, it's salvage yard, right? So this is our old one. This is our new one. We've got it all put together out here. We're running around. Tanner's over there. Now, it's salvage yard, guys. They ripped every single one of them out. Every single one of the push pins they tore. They tore, if you look, there's really not a lot on this one, but I think there's a bunch over here. This is the donor, and this is the good one, the one we're using, and they're all gone, all of them. So we're transferring them over to the good harness. That way they all work. And the wires are the same for the speakers and the seat belt, but the plugs are different. So we're going to expose that. We got to put all these onto the donor one. So we got to transfer the wires. Because I'd like it to go ahead and match up and meet push pin in where it's supposed to go, kind of like it was supposed to be there. Then you're a lot less likely to have wire chafing and crap going. So that's what we're doing today. Try to get the cab harness so that it just sets right on and bolts on. I'm still going to have to get the wiring diagram out and figure out the ambient temp wire and the fog light wires. And I'd like to tap them in pin to pin is what I'd like to do. We'll see if that works. Who knows? I might have to just get in underneath the hood and put some, I don't know, we'll see. I mean, I've got a couple of trucks. I've got a truck outside I can take it from, but once I take the ambient temp and the fog light wires, or even the pigtails off the end, it pretty much totals that under hood harness. I mean, I've got one truck outside that has all this stuff to do this upgrade, but I also have a standard cab long bed XL 6.4. So if I sell him that harness that I've got, then, you know, when it's time for me to do it, I don't have one. So as of right now, Medo did good. He found a standard cab lariat cab harness. Holy freaking crap. That's freaking amazing. So now our day is going to go, not sure what this one's got to be, seat power or something like that, but it was blocked off originally. This is on the new harness, but they didn't knock all these off. That's pretty cool. They didn't knock all of them off on this donor. So that's nice. So there you go. That's probably going to be a good part of today, just getting this done. Crazy. But it'll be nice when it's done. All right, guys, have a good day.